Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain converting non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating or recurring both are same. Repeating decimal into P by Q form. Here, how to convert a non-terminating recurring decimal here. Non-terminating recurring, non-terminating repeating decimal into P by Q form we will see now. If you are having like this 2.532 bar and you are having a bar for 32. Here this question is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Why? Because 32 is having bar, means which number is repeating, for that we will keep a bar here. 32, 32, 32 repeating many times. So this is not having end and repeating is there. Here not having end, not repeating is called as non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. How to solve this solution means, take x. I am taking let x is equal to this number 2.532 bar is there for 32. I can write this one as 2.532 32 32 so on is there. Take it as equation 1 here. Here 32 is repeating many times, so that 32 32 32 I wrote many times here. Here you should know about period, periodicity. These both are very important here. Here period means which numbers are having bar is called period. Which number is having bar here? 32 is having bar, so that 32 is called as period here. How many numbers having bar is called periodicity, and 2. Here 3 is 1 digit, 2 is 1 digit. 2 digits are having bar, so that 2 is called as a periodicity. If periodicity is 1, multiply with 10 to equation 1 on both sides. If periodicity is 1, multiply with 10. If periodicity is 2, multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3, multiply with 1000. If periodicity is 4, multiply the equation 1 both sides with 10,000. Like that, based on periodicity we will multiply. If 1 is there, 1 0 should be there. 1 0 should be there for 10. 2 zeros will be there for 100. 3 zeros, 1000. 4 zeros, 10,000. Like that. Here periodicity is 2. So multiply the equation 1 with 100 on both sides. So you will get 100 into x is equal to 100 into 2.53232 so on. After this 100 into x, what you will get here? 100x you will get. Here into is there, means point will go towards right side. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 2 zeros means this point will come 2 numbers after. So you will get here 253.23232 so on you will get. Take this one as equation 2. Here period, which number is having bar is called period. How many numbers having bar is called as a periodicity. If periodicity is 1, multiply equation 1 with 10. Periodicity is 2, 100. 3 means 1000. Here 2 is there. So here 100 into, here also I did 100. 100 into x is 100. 100 into 2.5323, this one is 253.23232 I got. So many. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Here I will write subtract equation 1 with equation 2. You have to subtract equation 1 in equation 2. Here, what is the equation 2 I am having here? Equation 2 I am having 100x is equal to 253.2322, so on I got. This is the equation 2. What is the equation 1 here? X is equal to 2.532322, so on I got here. So subtract these both. 100x minus x is 99x is equal to 2 minus 2. I got 0. 3 minus 3. I got 0. 2 minus 2. 0. 3 minus 3. 0. Here you will not get cancelled. So borrow here. What is got here? 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here 2 minus 2. You will get 0 and 2 5 here. 250.70000, so on you will get same zeros only, all you will get. So what I got here? 99x is equal to 250.7 I got. So this 99 into x, you take here. What you will get here? X is equal to 250.7 by 99 you will get here. 99. Here in a fraction you will not have a decimal in the numerator, also in denominator. In a fraction you will not have a decimal. So what to do? Here point after how many numbers are there? One number is there. If you are having like that, point after one number, multiply by 10 divided by 10. 250.7 into 10 is 2507 by 99 into 10 is 990. This is the final answer. What is the answer we got here? 2507 by 990 is a P by Q form, and first they given non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal converted into P by Q form. We will do one more problem to understand very clearly. If they are asking to convert 23.2 bar into P by Q form, we will take solution. Let given, what is the given thing? Here x is equal to, we will take 23.2 bar. This they given. What we will do here? X is equal to 23.2 is repeating many times. Why? Because here 2 bar is there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, so on you will have. Take it as equation 1. Here period. What is period? Which number is having a bar is called as a period. Period is having, only 2 is having a period. Here periodicity. What is periodicity here? How many numbers having bar? Only having bar for 2. 2 is only one number, so 1 is a periodicity. If 1 is a periodicity, multiply equation 1 with 10. 2 means 100. 3 means 1000. Here is 1. So multiply with 10 in the left hand side. Multiply 10 in the right hand side. So you got this one. 10 into x is 10x is equal to 10 is there 10. Here you are having into, and this point will come one number after. So what is the number you will get here? 232.222, so on you will get. This is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. How to subtract here? What is the equation 2 you will have here? 10x is equal to 232.222, so on you got. What is the first equation here? X is equal to 23.222, so on you are having. Subtract both the things. 10x minus x is 9x. 2 minus 2, 0. Here also you will get all zeros. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0 you will get. and here is point. 2 minus 3 you will not get, you will borrow here. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 you will have here, 2 minus 2 is 0, and here directly you will get 2. That means 9x is equal to 209. Simply you will get x is equal to 209 by 9. This is the way we will convert a non-terminating repeating decimal into P by Q form.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.